Okay, so I'm out here in the garage working, a little ways away from the house. I got a fridge out here. Took and got some bread and cheese earlier today and brought it out here with me. I want to show you guys how I make my grilled cheese sandwich when I'm out here working and don't want to go back into the house. I got a toaster out here because I like my toast. What I'm going to do, just lay it on its side. Take my bread and cheese. This way I can get back to work kind of quick too. I stick it in there, about like that. Take my other bread and cheese, stick it in there, about like that. I gotta set you down for a minute. Push it in. That's it. So now my toaster's working sideways. I turned this up a little bit darker because it's got to melt my cheese. And then another thing I like to do is put my plate right next to it so if it does pop out. So we'll give that a minute and we'll have some grilled cheese sandwich for lunch. I don't know if you can see that, but it's definitely getting red in there. So they work on its side too. There it is, it just popped out. There's my cheese. Yum yum. Delicious. Quick and easy grilled cheese sandwich when you're out and about working in the garage. Enjoy. I am.